Time.
No.
Sam, you bloody liar. Making us go that way.
Maybe you have to have over a certain percent of power.
Bloody waste of space.
Hang on, let me quickly check.
Alright.
Trophy collection. Ratchet Clank.
Doesn't matter, we're just doing another time.
Mm-hmm. Transverse weird.
Here it is.
Yeah, night lights are for wimps. That is one of the annoying ones. Let's go. This way. Oh wait, shit, no, sorry, we need to grab this first.
Herp.
My bad. Okay, I swear I grabbed it. Right, take it straight up.
Whoop. I thought I had. Oh, whoa.
Yeah, come join me, guys.
Bye,
Guys.
Chris. Aw.
Guys.
Alright, pull.
Uh-oh.
Fucking idiot.
Guys.
Uh-oh.
Bye, guys. Did it get me?
I don't know. I'm screwed though.
Me too.
Yeah, you got us all.
3 of us. We're gonna get crushed.
No.
Yeah, he's got his
You
headphones
must.
on now.
Ah.
Where am I? I can hear my character, but I don't know where he is.
I think the game just killed you guys.
No, we still got full health.
Right, we've also got to destroy all these towers now for another trophy.
And we just shoot him.
Yeah. We'll also be on turrets, but they can overheat.
I'll take this one.
Yeah.
Oh, we're supposed to be doing the same ones.
Yeah. Okay, I'm just trying to think. Well, I'm just trying to figure out which are the actually like the towers. That's not
Do
it.
we have anything else than these?
Right, these are the towers. I just got one. You have to destroy all of these.
Did we get them all?
So far, yeah. We won't know until the very end. Yeah, these little flying things. If you guys can keep an eye on them, I'll keep an eye out for the towers. I hate these things because like the aiming reticule is dead weird.
Whoa.
Mm.
Right, there'll be one as soon as we land. Tower, I mean.
There's a few as soon as we land.
Yeah.
Use the L1 shot as well, because that seems to get them.
Yeah, that's the rocket launcher. But you only have 4 shots with that until you reload, and it takes ages to reload.
I haven't had to reload.
No, you've only shot once.
I've shot loads.
You're at R1? R1.
L1, yeah.
Shoot one more. Now you're reloading.
Ah.
Yeah,
This one won't blow up.
Yeah, if you see the big flying thing, shoot them first.
Oh shit.
And aim for the cannons first as well. Because we do have health
We're
here.
back for seeing it. Oh, awkward angle.
Alright, there's going to be some turrets here as well as enemies that we have to kill first. James, kill these first.
Shablam. Oh, where the fuck am I?
Alright, now we can focus on the towers.
Easy peasy.
I think these are the last few towers now. Kill him, kill him! We're kind of in trouble.
Oh,
Nah.
trophy.
Well,
I was like that when I got here.
yeah, that's all the towers. James, the cannons!
Yeah, I keep losing my aim, okay?
You're the green one.
Whoa.
Yeah, we're pretty much fucked.
We got one bar left.
I can't remember if it regenerates or not.
Let's hope it does.
Yeah.
I ain't been getting to eat that lot.
That was easy. Yeah, out of it, you. I'm not even bothering us.
Left, left!
Oh, shit.
You were saying. Oh, our house has come back.
Didn't you notice that?
Nope.
No.
Whoa.
There's another one.
We're
Transformers
fucked. Shoot the fucker.
Our transform is stronger.
Shoot the hand, shoot the hand. The chest.
That thing! No, he's dead.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Well, it is essentially 4 versus 1.
5.
Why 5?
Oh no. Never mind.
Take a rocket, bitch.
Chris, if there's one thing I've learned about videos, never even attempt to do math, no matter how simple it may be. Because
shit.
guaranteed you'll make one little slip up and you'll get called out on it. Yeah, we can stop firing now, we're done.
Okay, cool.
I think. So I'm just going to have a drink. Now I realise, oh shit, I need to carry on shooting something.
Oh, we have another friend.
Uh-huh.
He's not a friend.
He's two friend. Yeah.
What the fuck was that?
What? Whoa.
I'm so glad I can do this with one hand.
Stop fapping. Trying to make a video.
Well, I wanna.
Been so long.
Yeah. It's been like a whole 4 hours.
Wow, that is long for you.
Hmm.
Holy crap. What?
It's an army of those guys.
Yeah, if I could just get in my rhino suit, I'd teach him who's boss.
I've already forgotten. How did we turn this into our friend?
The earmuffs.
For headphones.
Ah, yeah. What the?
Okay, is he still our friend?
What did he
He just
say?
flicked me. Where did you lot go?
Onto the thingy. But what did he just say? He just said, I go do something now.
I don't know, I didn't hear. Oh shit, we're trapped again. Oh.
This section is quite long, so I am going to take a second to restart the recording to make sure nothing fucks up.
Good, then I can get seconds.
Mm-hmm.
Disgusting.
Had to make sure they got in the commentary.
Fewest co-op actions performed. Oh.
James, leaving everything to me and Chris.
I got both monster.
Give me 2 seconds.
Alright, I need to
Knock the shit out of
Alright, we are recording. Let's go then.
let's refill ammo.
So, James,
Yes.
when are you going to get net to stop you from DCing?
Huh? It's you that
Excuse
DC though, but
No. Clearly James that DC'd.
My net's like 4 times better than yours.
Meh. Only twice as good.
Shit, right.
When I actually receive my full net.
Which is for 5 minutes a year.